Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off group notifications on Telegram. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to open Telegram and tap on top left 3 lines. Now here you have to click on Settings. After that you have to click on Notification and Sound. After clicking on Notification and Sound, you will see a group option here. You have to turn off group option. The button you see in front of the group, you simply have to close it. In this way you can turn off group notifications in Telegram. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.